Hello everyone, a very beautiful rosy welcome to my channel. You can see I'm surrounded by gorgeous roses, and you all know that I got all of them from my trusted Roses Forever. They're just so beautiful. Thanks Rose Forever for kindly sending me your gorgeous roses in every occasion that is special for me, and it makes my occasions even more memorable. And because they're long lasting, so they just stays with me forever and I cherish them so much. I'm pretty much collecting all of their roses like in different designs and different colors, different shapes. I'll tell you in details everything. Those who are following my channel for a long time, you guys already know how much I love these roses and how much I'm obsessed with them. But those who are new, you're going to see my collection. I have them all right here today, and also unboxing one new bouquet. I'm very excited for this because it's a brand new color in my collection. So this is what we are going to unbox right now together, and then we will see everything that I have in my collection. Okay, so these unboxings are so much fun. It gives me so much joy. So you have the care instruction here. You have to read them properly. These roses are real roses and they preserve them naturally, so there is no use of harmful chemical. They're naturally preserved, and they say it's long lasting. It actually lasts forever. The first ever rose bouquet that I got from them is still brand new, but two of the bouquet I damaged a little bit because I was moving from another province and then it was not properly taken care of. Like, I feel so bad because I did not properly close the lid and my husband put something heavy on the top, so obviously they got a little bit damaged. But other than that, everything I did not damage myself are still like fantastic. So what you have to do, these real roses, you have to keep them nicely. Don't put something heavy on the top, obviously they're going to destroy them. And don't water these roses, obviously don't have to water them. And also avoid touching the petals and keep away from sunlight, which is important. And also it can be dusted, so simply brush it away. So don't try to put any water or anything. So you have everything written here, which is good. Now let's see what we have this time right here. Their velvet boxes are my personal favorite. So this time I got this beautiful square shaped black velvet box, and I cannot wait to see the color. Let's see it together. Okay. Ooh, so excited. See this beautiful blue. It's like a pastel blue or baby blue. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy that I chose this color. Thank you, Rose Forever, for making these gorgeous colors. So pretty, such a beautiful spring color. Oh, it's just arrived in the right time. It's springtime, and look, these flowers calling spring. So pretty. And it smells so good. You know, these are the natural fragrance of the roses, and it just blows my mind. Totally, you will feel like you are in a rosy garden. It feels like that. Even though they're preserved, they are going to stay the same, and you can smell them. I can't stop smelling them. So beautiful. So I'm so happy with the collection I have at this moment. I have square boxes. I will show this one. This is one of my most favorite, and this always sells out really fast. You can barely find this, so keep an eye if you love this in the website so you can grab it as soon as it is available. So this is their dome shape, and I love this dome and white roses. There is a pink one as well, which I am eyeing, probably will be collecting soon. So this one is one of my very favorite, and this is that we just unboxed. Look how gorgeous, and I know this color is just absolutely adorable. You can also find this kind of marble boxes. They are very beautiful, and these are their purple or lavender color. So yeah, these are their lavender roses. So pretty. Just see the color. Perfect. This is another beautiful spring summer color. I just love it. And it has been few months. Yeah, it has been a long time now that I received them. And look, they're just so beautiful. I always wanted to show you this. This is my first ever roses that I got from them. And look, they're still perfectly new. Not a petal gone wrong or bad. They're just as new. So it has been like 4 or 5 years now, many years. I don't remember, like at least more than 3-4 years. And look, they're just as new. So if you like, I always keep the lid on for this one. So if you keep the lid on, if you don't keep it in the direct sunlight, it will be it will stay long. And I have put some random stuff in here. So these are my important things, like a medicine, some safety pins, some press-on nails, and some other stuff that I keep losing. So I keep it here. You can keep your jewelries, some aesthetic things to make it look prettier, and you can choose the color of your roses. So this drawer is so helpful. Quickly want to show you this. I got from Dior website and I just love it. This sticks in the phone, and in that way I can take good pictures. I just stick it in my mirror in front of sunlight or something, and it's just really helpful. Anyway, so this is my first ever roses in crystal box. I'm so heartbroken for this one, which I damaged, and that's completely my fault in this part. It was not, the lid was not on, and I think it was half on, half open, kind of like that. And we were moving from another province back to here, and then, it was a long way, and something heavy was on the top of it. When the truck came and I saw that, I was so heartbroken. A few days the damage right here in the bottom part happened, but still the areas that were fine is still fine. But it was not taken care properly. So definitely I'm going to add one of these heart-shaped red roses in my collection again, because this is one of my most favorite, and how romantic it looks. Oh, and remember, you can also pick the number of roses you want. You can do like 9, 16, you can do 36 roses. You have many options. So pretty much in every shape you can choose the number of roses that you want. You can also pick the color of your roses. So this is another favorite of mine, and this also was not taken care properly. My favorite roses, but the damage was not too bad. It's just, again, I put some of my makeup bag on the top of the roses. I was stressed for something. I did not care about life, and I did that, and I regret. But the area I did not damage, it's still good. Look, it's just good, so good. This is another very much favorite of mine. These are the gray roses. I'll definitely add more gray roses. This is also one of my most favorite gray roses. Look how gorgeous they are, and they're so good for winter, fall, winter, this time of the year. They'll just look beautiful. If you gift someone, they're going to be grateful forever. So I feel so great surrounded by all these roses, and they're smelling so good, like fresh cut roses. Okay guys, so I have a coupon code to share with you, which will give you some discount when you shop, which is amazing. Saving some when you shop is really a good deal, and you can do that using my coupon, which will be in the description box below. I also want to tell you guys that I have seen many other long-lasting roses, but these ones are my favorite because the way they smell and also naturally preserved. I really appreciate that, because I have small kids. I try to maintain not to use harmful chemicals, especially for fragrant products. I try to be like really using clean and natural. Not every time I can maintain, but that's my goal. So I really love Rose Forever for this reason. They are preserving naturally. And one more important thing is that I want to share with you. They have this kind of candles, which is absolutely stunning. And the best part is that these candles are also naturally made, and when you burn them there is no harmful chemical, because for home fragrance we are always worried about those harmful chemicals. When they burn, they can be seriously giving us health hazards, but while these are safe for your home, and that's why I just burn them without worrying, because they're safe, they're natural, and I don't have to worry. In a home where you have kids, you always think about more clean products, right? And see how huge this candle is. Do you see that? This is seriously a huge candle, and the smell, it has been many years. I don't burn candle too much, but when I burn them, I want them to be the best ones. And these are the most beautiful fragrant candles. If you burn them, your whole house smells like fresh cut roses. Smells so good, and the size is my most favorite. They look so beautiful when I keep them in my, dressing table, around my dresser, wherever, in the living room, wherever you keep them, the whole area looks stunning. And for gifting, I also think it's just the best idea, because anyone would love to have this kind of aesthetic looking candles. At the price point, I think they're very reasonable already, and using my coupon codes you can actually get more discount, which is a plus. Also, if you keep an eye, you can always see all around the year, in different times of the year, they give sales, so that's also a great thing to know. So you can actually buy your roses when there is a sale going on. I would say there are some most favorite ones, most popular ones, and those sales out so fast. So if you love something, just grab it immediately, so later you don't have to regret. It's very hard to pick just one favorite, but this new one is absolutely beautiful. I think the size, color, and the velvet box all together is just so pretty, so pretty. But seriously, it's hard to pick one. I actually usually pick according to the occasion. So if it's Valentine's Day, I go for red or pink, or if it's a Mother's Day, there is some sort of colors that I would pick. If there's a Father's Day or your anniversary, it could be many days, it could be your birthday, it could be nothing, just make you feel special, or for any of your achievement, get a bouquet of roses. And I would go for forever roses, because fresh roses are beautiful, but they don't last. Like, they last for 5 to 7 days, they're gone. But these roses, for special occasion, I think it helps you to keep your memory fresh forever. Thank you, Rose Forever, for making my home a beautiful rose garden, which is a dream. From very childhood, I used to love roses. I never thought I would have all these forever roses in my collection. I'm so grateful for that. Obviously, there are some more roses that I'm eyeing. Obviously, I'm going to collect those. Guys, remember, Mother's Day is also coming, so it is time to grab your Mother's Day gift as well. You can pick between the shapes, size, and what kind of holder you want. You want the marble one, velvet one, or maybe a crystal one. According to your need or choice, you can just mix and match anything. There are so many options there. I hope you really loved my rosy unboxing. Let me know which color is your favorite and which one you're going to pick. I'll be linking down below the site from where you can buy all these gorgeous roses. Okay guys, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye.